Hello everybody, welcome to TechBook, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about a surprise that Xiaomi has for all of us. It's really interesting actually. It's that you can win a Redmi 3S and 5 Redmi 3S F codes for free via a lucky draw. So I'm just going to tell you about it now. So you're watching TechBook, let's begin. So what you got to do to participate in this is, first of all, you need to have the Mi Store app. You can see here. So you have to check in into this Mi Store app for back-to-back 4 days. That's really simple, isn't it? So here you can see check in 4 days in a row and stand a chance to win the Redmi 3S. So we'll just check it out what it is. So here you can see the link has opened. It says that check in 4 days in a row and you stand a chance to win the Redmi 3S. So you can read this. I will just tell you the rest. So here you see the mission period is 11th August to 18th August. So you have to check in for 4 back-to-back days between 11th to 18th August. It's already 13th, you know that. So you have 7 days to finish it. So if you miss the first couple of days, you still have a chance to win. So then the prizes, as I told you, 1 Redmi 3S and 5 Redmi 3S codes. And then the rule, you have to just come here in this link and comment anything. Like just I'll comment here, check in day 1. So I have replied to this. So now you can see the other rules, that you will be disqualified from the lucky draw if you fail to check in continuously for at least 4 days. Then the participant on the next reply will succeed the prize once the winning reply participant is disqualified. So now how the lucky draw will be decided? It is really complicated actually. 1 Redmi 3S will be given to the 80% reply out of the total replies, and 5 Redmi 3S F codes will be given to 10%, 30%, 50%, 70% and 90% reply out of total replies. Now this was really complicated. So now they have explained it well with an example actually. Like just say if there are 2000 replies on a thread and the price is for the 80% reply, then 80% of 2000 is 1600. So reply number 1600 will be the winner of the Redmi 3S, and similarly for the 5 F codes. And another thing is that the only residents based in India are eligible to enter this mission. So only this offer is only for the people of India, and then the results will be announced on 19th August. So I hope you people have understood what this surprise is, and now go fast and check in into this. I have put the link in the description, so you can directly go from there and comment and then get the Mi Store app as well. So thanks for watching TechBook. Like, share, subscribe.